Hey guys, I had a really good sound bar from Vizio, and it kind of went out on me. It was acting weird, and different things happened. Anyway, it was which is kind of new thing. It's like a all-in-one a sound bar where the subwoofer is built in. You don't have to have like a separate thing, and it cost me like close to $150, and I've had it for a couple of years, but I bought one of these last year. This is from Walmart. It's called the On Blast 2.1. See, 2.1. It also has a subwoofer built in. I bought one for David's bedroom. It only cost $69, which is ridiculously low. And it works just as good as, and sounds just as good as my Vizio. So, I'm unboxing one now that I bought to replace my much more expensive one. And I just wanted to show it to you. I know a lot of people think that things from Walmart are not necessarily the best, but this is a Roku Ready and it sound bar. Get this bag open. And it does come with everything you need to hook it up to your system. And I can't get this bag open with one hand. And what's really neat about Roku Ready is that once you have it installed, you can use the Roku remote to control it. It just acts like a speaker that's built into the TV. So as you can see, here's everything. Of course, electrical cord, you gotta have one of those. Remote. This is, if you have the old RCA jack type hookup, here's the HDMI hookup, which is what you really want to use these days. And then this is the fiber optic. Okay. And of course, you've got instructions, but this is such a cool device because really you're going to just plug it in to your Roku TV turned off. You're going to turn it on. Wait a few minutes. Here we go. I'm unwrapping it right now. And turn it on after you have everything connected, and it will install itself. I just want to give you a look at what it looks like. So here's the subwoofer that's built in. It's on the bottom. And then you've got your speakers are across the top. I hope I'm not making everybody dizzy. I've never done one of these unboxings, and I didn't really want to use the tripod to hold the camera. Here's the controls. It's a very simple setup. And like I said, it's Roku ready. So once you plug it in, it will just install itself. So I'm going to pause here, get it connected, and then get back with you. As you can see, it's already found the sound bar. And all I did was after it's plugged in, I just turned on the Roku TV. I haven't even put batteries in the soundbar's remote, and it's already found it. And now I think it's going to play a demo, so you'll be able to hear. And that's it. It's all set up. That simple. Plug it